on screen we have a proposal document. Now the content of the proposal doesn't matter, but what does matter is the fact that I have 8 pages in this document and I want my headings to look consistent. So I can use inbuilt headings that are created in Microsoft Word. So rather than me having to make this heading say bold, italic, underline and change the font, etc., I can apply some inbuilt heading styles. So Word has inbuilt heading styles heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, all the way to heading 8. And they first enable you to have consistency of headings through your document and then can be further leveraged to create tables of content, which is another segment we'll look at. So first of all, I want to show you how these headings work. So let's just say this first heading here, background, I want to make heading 1 because that's a priority heading. So I simply click on heading 1. Now I'm going to just browse through here. I want to make the overview of what the client needs. I'm going to make that heading 2. And I'm going to keep scrolling through my document. This one here, heading 2. This one here, we'll leave those as they are. Option 1, we'll make that heading 3 because that's a subheading. So you're looking at a hierarchical structure. Here, heading 3 and payment terms and conditions, that's fairly important, so we'll make that heading 2. And in fact, what I'm going to do is the very start piece, this background, I'm going to make that a heading 2 as well, just to keep it consistent. Now, if you don't like the font or the typeface of that particular style, and what you see here might not be consistent with what you have on Word, so you can easily highlight the text. Let's just say you want to make it red and you want to make it Arial. Just select those options, and then whilst you're on that text, so you don't have to be or don't have to have all the text highlighted, because these styles apply to a paragraph, which is a piece of text with an enter after it. Now I can see that all of this is heading 1 because I have my show hide switched on. So let's just say I want to make all my heading 2s in my document. I want to make them red and I want to make them Arial. So I'm placed on this bit of text here, and if I come up to heading 2, if I right click on heading 2 and choose update heading to match selection, you can see it's automatically gone through the document and it's made each of those headings the red color. Of course, you could change it to whatever it is you like, a different typeface, a different font, etc. So that's how you create and apply styles in a Word document.